class at that store that I've mentioned before in my Work Your Part vlog, Gather Home Lifestyle. And I came by myself because John has the soccer game, so, and obviously he's not going to come to a flower arrangement class, but I'm going by myself and I'm just walking there. I went to a coffee shop and I'm really tired, so I know I haven't done an intro yet, but I'm going to kind of show you what we do. I'm not sure if I'll actually talk, but yeah, it's an actual nice spring day. It's supposed to be up to 60 today, so it's going to be a good day to bring you guys around the city or to this neighborhood. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Here's a look at my outfit. Some jeans, shirt, and jacket just in case it's cold. Anyways, if you recognize this, I'm looking for and I'm trying on this cardigan. It's on sale, but I tried it on and I put an Instagram of it with like the beige color. And now it's on sale. I should get it. It's top, but I don't know if you can see. It has like a line going through here, which is like extra, you know, coverage, but not as cute as I thought. But I always go for black. It has like a little pocket here too. Material is kind of like spandex in a way, and I just tucked it in. It's usually just short, but it's kind of like, I don't know, really soft and comfy, and I really like it. But I think tucked in maybe it's like a little cuter. The same shirt just because it's black and just wanted to wear it with this, but I wanted to try these pants because it says they're one size, which is so weird, but they really like stretch out. So like I'm a size 10, 8, so this obviously fits me. But yeah, I don't know how I feel about them, but I wanted to try something with like a white stripe. They have some gold pieces today. They always have silver, but so gold. And they always have a buy one get one. Oh my god, this one's so adorable too.